SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA is a helpful mnemonic for remembering the definitions of the trigonometric functions sine, cosine, and tangent. That is, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent equals opposite over adjacent. SOHCAHTOA. So, sine opposite over hypotenuse. Ka, cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. TOA, tangent opposite over adjacent. So this is the right triangle. The opposite of the 90-degree angle is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side. This is the unknown angle. The side opposite of an angle is called the opposite side. And the side next to an angle is the adjacent side. Find the measure of an angle indicated given two sides. Give an example. This is the unknown angle. Given ang adjacent side which is 12 and the hypotenuse which is 13. Since given ang adjacent tsaka hypotenuse, ang gagamitin mo ay ka. Cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. Then substitute na natin what is adjacent and the hypotenuse. So cosine theta equals 12 over 13. So the answer is 22.6 degrees. So in your calculator, tap shift and then tap cosine is 12 divided by 13. So dapat ito yung lalabas. At ito yung magiging answer niya. So, round off siya sa nearest tenth. Ito yung tenth niya. Since ito ay 1, so remain lang siya. So, 22.6 degrees ang answer. Find the measure of each angle indicated. Round to the nearest tenth. First, identify the given sides. Number 1, this is the angle, adjacent, hypotenuse. Number 2, this is the angle, opposite, adjacent. Number 3, this is the angle, this is the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse. Number 4, this is the angle, this is the adjacent side, and the opposite side. Number 5, this is the angle, this is the adjacent side, and this is the opposite side. Number 6, angle, this is the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse. Number 7, angle, this is the adjacent, and the hypotenuse. Number 8, this is the angle, this is the adjacent side, and this is the opposite side. Check the relationship of the two sides in SOHCAHTOA. So in number 1, adjacent hypotenuse. So we use Ka. So this is adjacent hypotenuse. Number 2, adjacent opposite. So we use TOA. This is opposite adjacent. Number 3, adjacent hypotenuse Ka. Number 4, opposite adjacent TOA. Opposite adjacent TOA. Adjacent hypotenuse Ka. Adjacent hypotenuse Ka. Opposite adjacent TOA. We can now solve the problems. Just plug in the numbers. Or you may simply solve like this.